Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a video that is by popular demand. You guys always ask me for some budget juicing recipes, and in my 4 years on YouTube, we have never done this. I have compiled my top 5 favorites over the years, and I'm gonna give you guys some great tips on how to juice on a budget. Juicing has so many benefits. It typically makes you feel amazing, and it improves things like your hair, skin, nails, brighter whites to your eyes. And if you guys know me, you know I have done a juice cleanse or 2 over the years, and that just elevates me and made me feel amazing. So we do cover some of those on this channel. And even if you don't want to jump into a whole cleanse, these can be great adding in here or there. So let's hop into it. Let me get the juicer ready, and then I will go over some tips for juicing. Okay, so here I'm gonna use the Nama juicer. It's personally my favorite. I didn't initially start out with the Nama juicer. I've worked my way up to that, and initially I first got one, I believe, at a garage sale. So if you guys don't have a Nama budget, that's okay. You can still get juicing. You can check out things like Facebook Marketplace or look around your area. Someone you know probably has a juicer stuffed away in the cupboard. This juicer, however, though, you never typically see stuffed away in people's cupboards. They actually use it. It gets you juicing. So I think it's amazing if you guys can afford it. It has a 15-year warranty, and I'll put a code down below. But let's get into the juicing on a budget tip. So I always recommend, if you can, to buy in bulk. There's a big savings right there. To focus on fruits and vegetables that are typically cheaper staples, which I'll get into in a sec. Another great tip, and something I learned from Lou Corona, who's in his 70s. He juices every day, you guys. So he's been juicing the Lemon Ginger Blast for I think over 51 years. And he looks amazing at 74. So that's how I want to be too. And he adds some water into his green juice when it's done and stirs it up. And he says it helps us absorb it better. So to me, that can be a great budget tip too. And another tip before we get into these specific recipes is to consider using some frozen fruit. So this is typically cheaper than fresh fruit, so you can just leave it out so it can de-thaw, because it might get a little funky if you put the frozen into your juicer, and then you can add it in when you make your juice. And another tip I have is to focus on water-rich fruits and vegetables. Not all fruits and vegetables are created the same when it comes to what you put in the juicer and what you get out. So things like watermelon will yield a massive amount of juice, and certain vegetables that are more high in water content, like cucumber, will also yield you a nice amount of juice as well. And when you juice, we will have some pulp come out of here, which you will see. And in order to be more budget friendly, you can reuse that pulp, and that's just better overall for the environment and for everything as well. So people who I know use the pulp to put into their dog food and also to make dehydrated crackers. Another way to save is to do batch juicing, so that can save you some money. And then of course, my last tip for now on how to save would be to make your own. I think it's more budget friendly than picking up the juices at the shops. Those might be a great alternative to soda, energy drinks, or a lot of the crap we have out there today. But I do notice a massive difference when I make a juice and drink it very shortly after than when I'm buying ones that are on the shelf. To me, it almost tastes, when I drink those like I'm just drinking nothing. I may as well just be drinking water, because I notice such a big difference when you make it fresh. You feel all the enzymes, all the life. You feel electric, amazing, and life just gets better. So that's what we want. So let's hop into our first recipe. Okay, so this one is a classic. A couple of the next ones are more creative. You guys may have heard of this one, or maybe not, because some people are new to juicing. But this is a very inexpensive juice you can make that also has a lot of benefits. So typically carrots are a great price at the grocery store. Try buy organic if you can. And apples. So these today, the Gala, were the least expensive apples, so I got those. Gala or Fuji, I would say. Fuji might be cheaper if you can find that. Otherwise, go for the least expensive organic apple. So we're going to put in 2 apples in here, and we're going to put in 4 carrots. And also, we are going to put in an inch of ginger. Really helps you prevent colds, flus. Great for an anti-inflammatory. Okay, here we go. Beautiful juice, you guys. It's just live and amazing. And I love eating raw foods because they're so electric, alive, amazing, rich in water content, rich in enzymes. And they make us feel like our true self and how we're really, truly supposed to feel. We're meant to feel amazing in this life experience. That's how God created you to feel. Not tired like crap and addicted to junk that He literally never intended any of us to be eating. So let's look at our first juice, and I will add a little bit of water to it. And then we will stir it up. And you guys can always add more. I mean, I think that's one of the best budget saving tips out there, is to really water it down with some water. And here we go. Look at this. Look at the color. It's stunning, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. And look at that, meant to be perfect glass. Cheers. And let's get on to the next one. So the last juice would be like a beta carotene goodness, so healthy. And this one is very hydrating and really good for your bones, the deep cellular hydration, and adds in some extra herbs to it as well, which is great for detoxing. So in this one, we're going to put 5 stalks of celery. So we have about 5 large stalks of celery here. And I feel like celery just has so many minerals. And we're also going to do 1 large cucumber. And one thing I love about this juicer is you can just fill it, turn it on, walk away, do other things. And here we go. So 1 large cucumber as well. And let us know down below your favorite juicing recipes or budget juicing recipes so we can help each other out in the comments. And we're going to do half a peeled lemon and a handful of parsley. So many benefits to parsley. And this is very budget friendly because typically you can find cucumbers and celery for a really good price. And typically you can buy bulk lemons for a good price. And herbs are not too expensive, so it's always nice to add a little bit of herbs in if you can. And let's juice it up. Okay, green goodness right here. Look at that. Beautiful, detoxing, and just makes you feel amazing, makes your cells feel amazing. I feel like every time we consume something, we're literally feeding our cells. So the better we can cleanse ourselves, detox ourselves, and just make our cells feel alive and incredible, the better we will feel. So I'll put those 2 right there. I'll go rinse this quick, and this juicer is so easy to rinse. It takes 2 seconds, and I'll be back for number 3. Number 3 is a pineapple greens energy drink. This will leave you feeling refreshed, amazing, full of energy and antioxidants, and pineapple's great. It just has so many nutrients to it, and it's really high in digestive enzymes, so it can help things with digestion. So this recipe is going to be 2 cups of spinach, and let me tell you guys, always use organic spinach. The EWG, the Environmental Working Group, they analyze all fruits and vegetables every year for what has the most pesticides on it. And this year, it's actually not strawberries, that's number 2. Usually it's strawberries, it's spinach. So that's pretty crazy. I think there were at least 19 different pesticides found on non-organic spinach. So stick to organic if you can, especially with juicing. So we have 2 cups of the organic spinach, 2 cups of pineapple, and we're gonna put in 1 cucumber. So for this juice, I actually bought this pineapple frozen. So that will save you money typically, like I said in the beginning. So that's where the savings really come in on this one. And let's juice it up. All right, this yielded a lot of juice, and here we go. Pineapple cucumber is one of my favorite combos on earth. It is absolutely delicious, so I highly recommend it. The last recipe I just want to tell you, if you buy the bags of spinach in a larger bag, you will typically save a lot of money. And my friend just taste tested that juice, and one thing she said she really liked about that is the spinach offsets the sweetness, because with all that pineapple, it can taste rather sweet, and I know a lot of us don't like that, so the spinach, it just gives it the perfect flavor. So here we go. Welcome to the second last juice, and I saved the best for last. This is my carrot zing. We have 3 cut up fresh organic carrots we're going to run through the juicer, an inch of ginger, and we're going to run through 2 peeled oranges. And I just want to say too, oranges, they're typically a pretty good price, especially during citrus season, and they balance out the flavor, oops, let me rinse that, of the carrots. So silky, so creamy, and this juicer really does produce the best quality juice out there. And look, you can see this one has been sitting. Other juicers, when you have it sitting like that, it's like splits between half foam and half juice, and it gets really funky. So these, I feel like it's just the best quality. So I'll put that right there. Isn't it beautiful? And I saved my best for last. Let's do it. All right, so here we have my green apple detox. Like I said, I saved the best for last. So we're gonna start with green apples. And we're gonna do, so 2 green apples, 2 stalks of celery, 1 cucumber, and half a peeled lemon. All right, here we have our final juice. Look at the color, beautiful, stunning, and all our juices, aren't they gorgeous? And you guys can see with this budget video, I kind of kept it within a little theme. So this helps you guys more as well, because you can share some of the ingredients by buying in bulk and still use them to make a variety of different juices. So I love that. And let us know down below your favorite juicing on a budget recipe, because we can really help each other out down there, help each other save money. And if you want to invest in the best juicer out there, again, the 𝒔𝒂𝒗, in my opinion, is the best. Really smooth. Look at this. Look at these juices. The highest quality juice, in my opinion, in the world, and really smooth, silky, and doesn't give sort of some of the juicers, like I said, I used to use, all foam. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's crazy. So they're really great, the people that run this too, and you can save 60 bucks with my code. So I'll put that down below, and thanks for your support. I hope you guys get making these, and I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.